Introducing the AI Chatbot for WooCommerce, an AI-powered chatbot that provides real-time answers to customer product queries directly in the chat window. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. This is our WooCommerce admin panel. From here, go to the Webkul WooCommerce add-on, and once it opens, click on Settings. This is the main control center, where the admin can configure models, database settings, and chatbot appearance. First, let's look at the model configuration. There are 3 types of models available: Onyx model, Gemini embedding model, and OpenAI embedding model. The Onyx model comes preloaded with the plugin, so no additional setup is required. This makes it ideal for local embedding generation. For the Gemini embedding model, you need to generate your Gemini API key and add it to the Gemini model configuration. Lastly, for the OpenAI embedding model, generate an API key from your OpenAI account and paste it into the configuration field. Now let's look at the vector database selection. There are 2 types of databases available: Pinecone and ChromaDB. Select Pinecone if you need a hosted and scalable vector database. You can generate Pinecone API keys by signing in, creating a new API key, and then copying the API key and environment details into the Pinecone settings. Alternatively, you can choose ChromaDB for a local vector database setup. This option is ideal for self-hosted environments. Now let's look at the chat box settings. From here, the admin can customize the chatbot's appearance and behavior. You can enable features like voice assistant and guest history, and also set the brand color, chat box name, avatar, background image, and logo. The admin can also choose to position the chatbot on the left or right side of the front end. After completing all the configurations, click the Save Configuration button. Now let's move on to the most important step: data training. The admin can upload WooCommerce product data into the selected vector database. This allows the chatbot to understand product names, descriptions, attributes, and pricing whenever a product is updated. The chatbot data is refreshed automatically. As you can see here, the data has been successfully trained. There's also a progress bar that indicates how many products have been trained. Now, moving further, we have content creation. While adding or editing a product, the admin can generate AI-powered descriptions. Simply enter the topic name and click Suggest Topic. The AI will suggest a topic which you can use or replace with your own topic. To create sections, click Create Section. You can also generate section content using AI by clicking the respective button, and the AI will automatically create the content for you. In addition, you can generate the excerpt and meta description using AI, making content creation faster and more efficient. You can create a post, page, or product using the AI-generated content. Select the required option and click Create. As you can see, the page is created successfully. To verify this, go to Pages, where the newly created page is listed. Now let's go back to the module settings. Next, we have the Conversation History tab. Here, the admin can view chats between users and the AI chatbot. Conversations can be filtered by username, downloaded if required, and users can also be blocked when necessary. You simply need to search for the username and select the timeline. The admin also gets access to a real-time AI dashboard. This dashboard displays weekly and monthly chatbot messages, daily users, and the most frequently asked products. These insights are shown through interactive charts, helping store owners better understand customer behavior. Now let's look at the customer experience on the storefront. The WooCommerce AI Chatbot appears as an interactive chat widget, allowing customers to easily open it from any supported page. First, log in as a customer and go to the Shop page. As you can see, in the bottom right corner, there is a message icon where the chatbot appears. Customers can explore products by asking natural language questions. They can inquire about product details, pricing, availability, and more. The chatbot responds instantly with accurate AI-powered answers. For example, I am asking whether a cap is available or not. As you can see, the chatbot provides real-time assistance, reducing support workload and enhancing customer satisfaction. Customers get instant answers, helping them make faster and more confident purchasing decisions. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.